is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something pretty cool I'm sure you guys will be hip on. I got some Vite Ramen. The last time I reviewed this stuff it was kind of in beta testing and it wasn't totally ready for prime time yet. So this is pretty cool. I'd like to thank Tim and Tom over at Vite Ramen for shooting these over. So let's get it cooking. 2.5 cups of water. And yeah. So here, I'll take these packets out. This is the veggie mix. There's like 8 vegetables in there. This is the soup base. The nutrient packet, which I'll go in more information on. And this one's kind of a mystery. Canola oil. And then here is the noodle block. Check that out. So drop that in. Drop all the bitty bits in there too. Come on, get in there, get in there. And we need a total of 2.5 minutes with that 2.5 cups of water. So, what is this stuff? Basically, this is like if you could have instant noodles that were healthy for you. That's what I'm making right now. And you're probably, come on! And it wants to boil over. Everything wants to boil over. My boiling point. Anyways, I'm sure you can't read that, so I will read you some of the amazingness. Because it's pretty freaking amazing. It's 500 calories for the whole thing. It's got 12 grams of fat and 1.4 grams of it is saturated, which really isn't bad compared to like, I don't know, your more mainstream econo pack ramen. It's gonna be at least 3, if not 3.5 times more saturated fat and more regular fat, so. Pretty low on cholesterol at under 5. It's got 560 milligrams of sodium. I did the unboxing of this and I incorrectly said it had 500 milligrams of sodium. And it's got 28 grams of protein. That's pretty burly. And then it's just got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like it has 25 vitamins and minerals. Most of which are giving you 25% of your daily. One's doing 50 and one's doing 30. The one thing that's kind of nice about it is it also has like, what is it? 1186 mils of potassium, which is like, you know, unless you want to eat like a grip of bananas and get all stopped up, you know, it's kind of an uphill climb to get all that potassium in you. So let's see what's going on. I'm actually making this for my sister today. Hello to my sister Sue. She's hanging out with Miles, playing with the tablet, chilling live. And yeah, made some nice chicken, did some eggs. I hope they're nice and runny. That'd work well. What else? Oh, the alarm has sounded. So here's what we do. So we take the pat and we put everything in. So here. So this is the nutrients. I'll do the soup base first. You don't have to use scissors, but you know. I had somebody ask me once, "What is there like an easier way to open packets for instant noodle seasonings other than just tearing them open?" Yeah, a pair of scissors, dude. Cool, thanks. Like, you are very welcome. More than happy to help if you can't figure out what scissors are for. But you know, it's all good. There's that. This does, they do have a vegan one. This one does actually have, it doesn't have like chunks of chicken in it, but it's got chicken powder. So if you don't want to eat any chickens, if you're chicken a chicken, don't eat this one. Eat the vegan, vegan mushroom shio. That one actually, the first time I tried all these was my favorite. I loved that. That was like really tasty. There's the canola oil. Definitely different looking noodles, huh? They kind of, when you pull them out of the pack, they almost smell like kind of a nuttiness to them. And here is the fun. The health fun. Oh, it doesn't. Let me redo that. I know what scissors are for, but I'm not always adept at the use of said scissors. And there we go. A nice stir. Alright. It's still kind of, I think you're probably getting all fogged up. And here is the vegetable. And as you know, I can't, you know, if this was vegan, I'd be adding something to it, probably with meat. So you can't get me to leave a bowl alone. I'm a garnisher. I garnish things. Okay, and there we go. So let's give this new version a try. Try the broth. Let's have a look at that. There you go. It's got a nice chicken taste to it, that's for sure. Oh. All right. Let's get the rotato in play. And I've got the magical color changing Vite Ramen bowl from last time. Let's make sure that we can still see. There you go. That came out pretty good right off the bat. That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food, especially for 500. That definitely seems like more than 500 calories worth of food. But pretty cool. Do a slice of chicken there, all baked and seasoned up. And do we want to do the egg next? Yeah. Egg eggs. There we go. Come on, gods of eggs, work with me. Oh, god of eggs. Yeah. That's That's what I like to see. That makes me thrilled. And oh yeah, we need some spring onion. Alright, so yeah, the cholesterol just went up and the protein went up too, but yeah. Okay, is there anything else? I got it. It's seedy. A little bit, right? So, and there it is. Yeah, I like this revamped deal. It's pretty tasty. So, I think it's time to rotate. What do you think? I don't care what you think. Here we go. Well, there you go. Thanks again to Tim and Tom for shooting all this stuff over. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every frickin' day. Have a good one. Bye.